I think it's important that not only businesses but individuals do all that they can with regard to sustainability. When we make something out of aluminium, so this is an aluminium plate here, we cut it in a CNC machine, and from that we generate swarf. And that aluminium swarf is made into a briquette, and the briquette is then sent back to Switzerland where it's going to get melted down again and then produced into a flat sheet of aluminium. We've installed solar panels on our roof, generating 250 kilowatts of electricity each year. We are very particular about our own recycling bins within the business and making sure that we put everything in the right place. So when we're talking about these things and our customers are passionate about these things, when they come to Proseal and they see our attitude to sustainability, it's kind of like a good marriage of like-minded people. So we're very responsible when it comes to sustainability. You might find that something's overpackaged with plastic and cardboard when only cardboard would be okay or just plastic would be okay. So we're always looking to reduce packaging wherever possible and extend the shelf life, and the tray sealing format is kind of made for that. We've been making lots of step changes in packaging to reduce the plastic as much as possible and to increase the shelf life as much as possible. So our test kitchen, for example, is a perfect tool that we've got to allow us to test different tray materials, different film materials that our customers are wanting us to use. We know that food is 1/3 of all food produced is wasted. That wasted food is the third biggest contributor to CO2 emissions globally. Our influence on packaging is to make sure that if it's supposed to be sealed, it is sealed. We pride ourselves in using a minimal amount of electricity and other compressed air to run the machines. And we think that those reasons alone are why you'd use Proseal over another company, and indeed our knowledge in the world of packaging and the world of tray sealing, which probably surpasses most of our competitors. Customers trust us in that we're looking in both directions. So we're looking at the machines that were supplied years ago, and we're making sure that those machines are also working properly. So we know things are changing, and it's important for us that our customers trust that we can go on a new journey with them. And I think that the reputation that Proseal's got in this area, cardboard sandwich packaging, soft fruit packaging, skin packaging, we've done huge, enormous changes and have been successful, not only in the eyes of our customer, but in the eyes of the UK retailer. So I think that it's really important that we continue to demonstrate that we are trusted and we can go on the journey with our customers.